Oklahoma City is renowned for its award-winning parks and facilities, including our state-of-the-art river, which offers many recreational opportunities. This local gem is a valuable asset maintained by dedicated city personnel who work tirelessly to preserve it.
We removed about 310 tons of debris out of the river. So, I mean, it is an ongoing job. We continue to get trash.
Floating barriers placed across the water collect trash in a centralized spot so crews can remove it using a wide variety of equipment.
But the primary boat that we use is we call it a picker boat. It actually has an articulating arm on the boat that will reach over booms and things like that to pick up debris.
Employees check on collection areas after storms to remove floating trash.
Styrofoam cups, water bottles, anything that's floating on top of the water, anything that causes unsightly scene, we try to remove those things.
In addition to trash removal, city crews also help maintain 3 dams on the river.
We have a maintenance program put together to service the dams, to change the hydraulics. If we see any leaks, we can have crews go out and repair those leaks.
Maintaining the river is a full-time job between the trash removal and dam maintenance. We appreciate the hidden heroes who play a role in keeping the river beautiful for the community, visitors, and its residents.